In the realm of education, where young minds are nurtured and futures are shaped, the significance of holistic development cannot be overstated. One crucial aspect often overlooked is the integration of practical knowledge about food production and nutrition within the school environment. Gulayan sa Paaralan, where school gardening emerges as a potent tool not only for educational enrichment, but also fostering healthy habits and environmental consciousness among students.
In conclusion, Gulayan sa Paaralan embodies the convergence of education, health, and environmental sustainability. It offers a multifaceted approach to learning, enriching students' academic experiences while nurturing their physical and mental well-being. By fostering a deeper connection with nature and promoting healthy lifestyles, school gardens empower students to become responsible global citizens. Thus, integrating Gulayan sa Paaralan into the educational curriculum is not merely an option, but a necessity in cultivating a brighter and more sustainable future for generations to come.
Gulayan sa Paaralan serves as a living laboratory where students can explore various scientific concepts firsthand, from understanding plant life cycles to learning about soil composition and the importance of water conservation. Every aspect of gardening provides valuable lessons. Practical experiences in the garden enhance theoretically knowledge gained from textbooks, making learning more engaging and memorable. Access to proper nutrition is fundamental for the growth and development of children. Yet millions around the world face food insecurity daily. In response to this challenge, school feeding programs have emerged as a critical intervention, providing nutritious meals to students in educational institutions. This explores the multifaceted importance of school feeding programs, elucidating their impact on educational outcomes, health, and social equity. One of the primary benefits of school feeding programs is their positive impact on educational outcomes, and proper nutrition is essential for cognitive development, concentration, and academic performance. By ensuring that students receive nutritious meals during school hours, these programs alleviate hunger, which can otherwise impede learning and comprehension.
School feeding programs play a vital role in promoting social equity by addressing disparities in access to nutritious food. Children from disadvantaged backgrounds are disproportionately affected by food insecurity, perpetuating cycles of poverty and inequality. By providing free or subsidized meals to all students, regardless of socioeconomic status, These programs level the playing field and ensure that every child has an equal opportunity to thrive. Furthermore, school feeding programs empower marginalized communities by investing in their children's future. By alleviating hunger and supporting educational attainment, these initiatives break the cycle of poverty and pave the way to social mobility. They foster a sense of dignity and belonging among students, affirming their right to nutritious food and quality education.
Education, deeply rooted in philosophical principles, aims not only to enlighten the mind but also to nourish the body and soul. In the context of Gulayan sa Paaralan, or the school vegetable gardening and school feeding programs, the philosophical underpinnings of education intersects with practical initiatives to nurture learners holistically. Philosophical foundations of education is at the core of education that lies philosophical influence into the nature of knowledge, the purpose of schooling, and the means of facilitating learning. Philosophers such as John Dewey, Maria Montessori, and Paulo Freire have emphasized the holistic development of individuals, emphasizing experiential learning, student-centered approaches, and the integration of practical skills into the curriculum. These philosophers underscore